Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a webcam to a computer or laptop. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I will be demonstrating this with a laptop. It's actually a Chromebook, but you can do the same thing with pretty much any computer or any laptop as long as you have the correct ports. In addition, this is the webcam that I will be using for this demonstration, but for the most part, most webcams will be very similar with regards to the port that they use and how they operate. So it's very simple. On your webcam, you might have to connect a cord to it. In this case, the cord is already connected and cannot come undone from the webcam. But on your webcam, you might actually have to connect potentially a USB type of cord to it. So you have to see whether you have to connect a USB cord or any type of cord to it, or if it's connected automatically and it won't come out like this one right here. On the other end of whatever cord is connected to the webcam, whether you've connected it or whether it's automatically on there, on the other end is likely going to be a USB of some type. In this case, it's sort of like the standard USB that you find because this is an older style webcam. Some of the newer style webcams might use something slightly different, but it's going to be a USB, it will most likely be a USB of some type, okay? Some type of connector. Essentially, you want to find the equivalent version on the laptop or PC, the laptop or computer, okay? Or Chromebook or Mac, whatever the case is, okay? In this case, this is a USB with an outer connector, okay? We're gonna look for a USB port with an inner connector. On this laptop right here, it's kind of cool. On the side here, there's USB ports, but you actually have to like open it up like that. So you can see it's there, but you have to actually like sort of like open this up and then you can expose the USB port. So this is the equivalent USB port inner connector that goes with that outer connector over there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the outer connector with the for coming from the webcam right here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up. Like I said, most laptops won't have this little extra little flap. You can just plug it in, but I'm going to obviously have to open up the flap right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open it up. It goes, and you want to put it in the right direction, obviously. You can only go in one way, okay? And it goes like that. I just plugged it in like that. So essentially, once again, just to show you, I'm going to unplug it. I open the little flap, which is optional. Your computer might not have that. And I'm going to plug in the USB like that. Now, essentially, now that I plugged it in, you know, if your computer, laptop, or PC, or Mac, or whatever it is on, it's probably going to need to have a driver in order to actually operate the webcam. So right now the webcam is connected. If you want to know just how to connect it, that's done. You've connected it. Now, if you already have a driver on there, then you're good to go. Then you pretty much, your webcam will be working. If you don't have a driver, then you're going to have to go and get the driver for the specific webcam. So what I would do is I would go and I would get the driver for this webcam. I actually believe I still have the media that came with the webcam, which probably has the driver somewhere on it. So if drivers are usually really easy to find though. Make sure you go to a reputable source and get the correct driver for the device that for the webcam that you're dealing with. But essentially you want to get the driver for the webcam. Once you have the driver for the webcam, then the webcam is connected to the computer, but then you need software, which is like a program on the computer or laptop in order to actually operate the webcam and have it display whatever is in front of the lens. So, you know, once you have connected it, you get the driver. Once you get the driver, then you need software that will operate it. There's lots of free software, there's lots of paid software. It's kind of up to you what you want to use it for because there's like different software for different uses. That's it. That is how to connect a webcam to a laptop or computer. An easy peasy, super duper easy tutorial. Literally, I've tried to explain it as simplistically as possible, and I truly hope that you've enjoyed the video. And that's it. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.